Go away. Oh no. Oh, I, I, I did not consider that I only had 1 HP left. Oh, well, at least my hunger is full now. Oh, look at that. Oh, what does it mean, like, protected? Does it, like, despawn in, like, 14 minutes, or is it does it just mean that it will be destroyed if I don't get to it in time? How do I? Oh, wow. What is this? Oh, well, that's very nice. I guess that compass I just had in my inventory was just to, like, lead into my, like, gravestone so that I can find it. That's very nice. I usually hate, like, in vanilla Minecraft playing without keep inventory on because I hate in games when I lose my stuff. Especially in, like, Minecraft where it's like it can despawn and stuff. I find it really annoying having to go back and collect your stuff, pick up your stuff. Especially if it's far away or in a difficult place, it's really annoying and I hate it. But that seems pretty nice, so maybe I'll survive without keep inventory on. I should go get those sheep now. What time is it? Is it becoming nighttime again? Oh, I think it is. Oh no! Where are my tools? Go away. Oh. I did not get any more bonus, I think. I don't think I need these. Arrows. I don't have a bow. It would be nice to, like, find a spider, I think. So I could get some, like... but actually I think I can make, like, string from wool. Just. So I don't need... Oh, well, look at that. I was just talking about you. Give it to me. Yeah, I should go also mining and, like, light up this area a bit. So it's not so dark around my base. I should leave one torch in my inventory. I have no reason to stay awake, so I'll sleep. That's so pretty. Day 3. These grapes grow really fast. I wonder if it fills my hunger at all or... Oh, I found those special, different kind of grape seeds, or I, like, got them as a reward from quests. Let's try eating some. Oh, look! It fills me kind of nicely, actually. It's not too bad. What did I get? Oh, I got more grape seeds. I don't have any space for them. But it looks like I have some chests. I should put this here with the others. Oh. Okay, let's go get those sheep. Where were they? Here. Then we can go get, like, another dog for us. I want another dog. Then I can make puppies. Oh, everything. It's on everything like common. I wonder if there is like a Minecraft mod actually where there is like a different rarities for plants and stuff. That would be fun, I think. I really like collecting stuff in games and stuff. Like exploring and collecting stuff is one of my favorite things in games. That ship has not like even regrown its wool since I was here. Come here. Good job. Oh, that's a lot of grapes. Oh, look, it's one of these pretty trees. But I think I already have like saplings from cutting down that one giant pretty tree. I could also take some of this so I can grow cocoa. Oh! Come here. Oh no. My cat is trying to jump on my table. He has knocked over many mugs and drinks these past days. Yesterday he knocked over at least 2 glasses of water. He has to stick his paw everywhere. No! That's bad. This is bad. I don't... Where's home? What's that? Where am I going? I'm going on a wrong direction. Go away. Ew. Okay. Okay, good. What's this? Oh, it's a mushroom. Where's the sheep? And where's the other one? It's here. This direction. Why are there so many creepers? I can see another creeper on the map. I hate it. And where is your leash? Right here. You are kind of going close to the creepers. Where's my other... My god. Where is it? Where did I... Where it? Here. Somewhere. There you are. Why is this so difficult? Where's that one leash? I had 3. I think I dropped one. I'm not sure. Is it here? Oh, it's there. Don't come into this hole. Where do I live? Right this way. Then I can go get myself another dog after I have got this ship here. Come here. Oh. Delicious. Oh. Yeah. I think they'd like break way too easily. I also wish we could like leash villagers in Minecraft. It would make things so much easier. Good job. Now I have sheep and cows. I think I'll keep these leashes in my inventory. Oh, what's that are like leads? I think I'll take some grapes here for eating. Nom 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 nom. I should make myself some tea. I feel like my voice is struggling a bit. There's like starting to be pollen and stuff in the air around where I live. So it kind of makes me lose my voice a bit sometimes from allergies. I have not actually explored here, really, yet. There was some stuff that I was curious about. Yeah, like that orange spot. Why do I remember it being like yellow? Well, I don't know. Also, there was this other thing. Yeah, right here. I wonder what this is. I want to go check this out. Hmm. I think that's a mushroom thing. But I'll go get those dog first. Where are they? It's so pretty, these waterfalls, when they like has that effect of splashing water at the bottom. It looks really pretty. Aha, I wonder if there's a third, that other one. I wonder if I can get it with just one. Where is it? Oh, look, a parrot. I could get myself a parrot too. I don't think I have any seeds. Do you want like a... Oh look, there it is. That dog. Eat. Take it. Ah! Wow, I'm so lucky. Does this parrot like this? No, I don't think he do. Let's run away. It's getting way too dark. It's a good thing dogs can teleport. So I don't have to worry about them like following me. Sit down. What is that thing it's holding? Oh, my pitchfork. I wonder if it has any... Oh! Why? Any actual use? All these evils. This wheat is really growing slow. I wonder if there's... It talked about these things like somehow enhancing the growth of these things. Or maybe it was something else, I can't remember anymore, but I wonder if there's some stuff, some farming mod which makes it so that my crops need some more conditions to grow better. Because I feel like these are growing really slow. I could go check that thing out, but also there are these evil jellyfish things that poison me. Well, I don't think they are evil if I was the one attacking them first, but... Anyways, now I have sheep. Let's try fishing. Was it like this? Yeah. Oh, also, I found out that I can actually like zoom when I was complaining about Optifine. It's just like a different button that I'm used to. Any fish? Wow. Record. There are also these glowberries growing here that I could go harvest and plant around my base when I actually build it. What was that? Salmon. You know, that it actually would be really cute if I could like make some bridges here and here between these little rocks. Maybe I'll do that. But I should probably just focus on building my base first, my main home. This is kind of boring. I don't want to fish anymore. I probably should since there's like... I didn't get too many fish. Oh, now I'm finding out that I also should really go mine some stuff. That really would be good. Yeah, I think actually that's the next thing I'll do is to go mining. I wonder if I should like find a cave or just start mining down from here. Maybe I just should mine down from here. So I think there was a cave nearby somewhere here. Oh, and there was that ravine. Well, I'll just mine down anyways, because I can get some stone that way. And that would be nice. Also, maybe I should like plant some trees. Well, I'll cut down some trees first so I can get more wood and clear more area. Though, do I want to cut down these trees? It would be really cute to like somehow make them part of my home. I wonder. Do I have any stone? No. Huh. Where should I put this thing? My little mining place. Maybe it would be really cute if I put it like on the side of here and made a little path down. Yeah, I think so. It's a bit of an inconvenient place right now since I don't really have any path down there, but it will be cute in the future. Maybe like right around here. Oh, but it's kind of inconvenient that I have no like coal, so I can't even make like more torches, which is kind of something important when mining, so that I can see and so that things don't spawn. Yeah, I maybe should actually go into that ravine, now that I think about it more. But I'll make this little place here anyways. Yeah, like I'll mine right here down, like a straight hole and put a ladder or like vines going down at the water at the bottom. Was this the pretty tree? Yeah. I think I'll plant one right here. Do I get like the big variety like this, or do I need to plant them differently? I don't know. I put one there too.